200.9 Means of identification of terminals. In devices or utilization equipment with polarized connections, identification of terminals to which a grounded conductor is to be connected shall be white or silver in color. The identification of other terminals shall be of a distinguishable different color. Exception. If the conditions of maintenance and supervision ensure that only qualified persons service the installations, terminals for grounded conductors shall be permitted to be permanently identified at the time of installation by a distinctive white marking or other equally effective means. Underscore 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 underscore. 200.10 Identification of terminals. A. Device terminals. All devices, excluding panel boards provided with terminals for the attachment of conductors and intended for connection to more than one side of the circuit, shall have terminals marked for identification, unless the electrical connection of the terminal intended to be connected to the grounded conductor is clearly evident. Exception. Terminal identification shall not be required for devices that have a current rating of over 30 amperes, other than polarized attachment plugs and polarized receptacles for attachment plugs in accordance with 200.10 B. B. Receptacles, plugs, and connectors. Receptacles, polarized attachment plugs, and cord connectors for plugs and polarized plugs shall have the terminal intended for connection to the grounded conductor identified as follows. 1. Identification shall be by a metal or metal coating that is white or silver in color, or by the word white, or the letter W located adjacent to the identified terminal. 2. If the terminal is not visible, the conductor entrance hole for the connection shall be colored white or marked with the word white, or the letter W. Informational note. See 250.126 for identification of wiring device equipment grounding conductor terminals. See screw shells. For devices with screw shells, the terminal for the grounded conductor shall be the one connected to the screw shell. D. Screw shell devices with leads. For screw shell devices with attached leads, the conductor attached to the screw shell shall have a white or gray finish. The outer finish of the other conductor shall be of a solid color that will not be confused with the white or gray finish used to identify the grounded conductor. Informational note. The color gray may have been used in the past as an ungrounded conductor. Caution should be taken when working on existing systems. E. Appliances. Appliances that have a single-pole switch or a single-pole overcurrent device in the line or any line-connected screw shell lamp holders, and that are to be connected by 1. A permanent wiring method, or 2. Field-installed attachment plugs and cords with 3 or more wires, including the equipment grounding conductor, shall have means to identify the terminal for the grounded circuit conductor, if any.